This country is not an easy country.
Uganda wani pay your back.
When I announced that I was going to contest for speaker,
Uganda.
There was a big headline. Mao is not a threat. Is that still the same today? Incidentally, those of you who are from DP, we have fought over 50 cases in DP. Even now, we have many cases in court. But we are in charge of the party. It is like government. Konyi is there, ADF is there, but President Museveni is in charge of Uganda. They have some dreams that they are fighting. But it is like spitting when the wind is blowing. I want us to know our interests. I'm not one of those who wears my faith on my sleeves. I don't think you have ever seen me even wearing a rosary. Because my faith is with the above. God himself. There are those who want the outward appearance of faith rather than the real faith. And I learned it from him. So, Monsignor Matthew, thank you so much for being a father to me. Every little achievement, I involve him. Even when I don't have money, you know, people think you cannot ask priests for financial support. But he has friends all over the world. After all, if he can build schools and hospitals, surely he knows where money is. You know, like Bishop Flynn. He built it alone. So one day I went to him, I told him I need some money, and he raised some dollars for me.
Just you can even touch, like touching Moti's shoulder like this. Yes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's go.
This is the way you follow me. I love the way you follow me. This is the way you follow me. I love the way you follow me. This is the way. Love the way you follow me.
Your word, your name. Robana wanoa pui pini na makili. Pui pini na mapeso. Maini Batwa mahati kodu Dodoth na tek. Pui pini na kinoa. Honorable Minister Norbert now. MK de Banyoro Moses. Maroba Onyero, Roba Wiro. Roba Batwa Milao de Chari. that Bawandano, which we call Roba Kiko. And I know what she honorable of him taking letter of him taking letter to family Mameli. They did that tree, God is good. After all, our motto say for God and my country. Those who lean on God will lead well, and I can see that in you. Roba Wamba, in the hell, when you were petty, the Monitor Guru, the Monitor of the Mopapa, I do you very well. Bomokisani Bombi. Papa, man, in Roba, yes, Christo. When Roba Mana tried this one, the word, it is Malay, Bomokisani Bombo. Before Jesus Christo. Rabbi Guruba, Rabbi Gurukani Neto Ram. We shall be there. Thank you. God bless you all.